Well, good afternoon, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this October the 30th, 2023. I'm hoping everybody's having a great Monday out there so far. Everybody has a great Monday afternoon. Hope everybody because the only weather you got. Okay, in today's video, we're going to be talking about your forecast here. We're going to be talking about Invest 96L, which is located right here. Right now, it has winds of about 40 miles per hour, classified yet as a tropical tropical storm or a tropical depression yet. This little system here, this is that little storm. This system here has about a 50-60% chance of development in this region here where I'm circling my mouse. So we're going to keep an eye on that. Here is a Plier or something like that, the tropical storm over or the hurricane over in the Eastern Pacific. It may have looked to affect maybe portions of the Central America region, also maybe southern Mexico. And also the MDR region looks pretty quiet with just some scattered showers and thunderstorms, but no organization at this time. Here's that cold front extending up here from Nova Scotia all the way back down toward the Texas region, bringing in a lot of cold air from the Canadian air mass. Will continue to plummet to the southeast. You will be feeling it here in the southeastern United States. We will be looking at temperatures in the 20s and 30s for overnight lows, and also with daytime highs only in the upper 40s, low 50s, to the mid to upper 50s as well. But then a warming trend will begin toward the late period and back into the 70s towards this coming weekend. So get ready for the winter to come around the 1st of November. So get ready for that, folks. Alright, if you're a new viewer and have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and consider subscribing. Love to have you. Like these videos, share these videos, and because someone that want to join the Mike Bass Weather Forecast channel, tell your friends, tell your neighbors, tell everybody about my forecast channel. Send them on over to my page. Love to have them. Alright, well, let's go ahead and finish getting the show on the road there, folks, and we're going to move on to Invest 96L. Alright, you can see here is Invest 96L. Look kind of poorly organized, but the more the convection is to the south, east of the center. But right now it has no center of circulation, and like I said, it only has like a 10 or 20% chance of further development. So we really don't even have to. In a minute, we're going to. I mean, the spaghetti model. Excuse me, they ain't nothing. We don't have no cone with it. Sorry about that, folks. But anyway, here's the spaghetti just north of the Bahamas, moving off to the northwest, then eventually off to the northeast. When that cold front comes in and sweeps it out to sea, coming up later this week, by Wednesday and Thursday, it should be pushing this thing on out to sea, so we won't have to worry about that. The intensity guidance of this system here, right now it has a winds of about 35 knots, equal to about 40 miles per hour. But like I said, it don't have no center of circulation, don't have no closed off low, so it's really not a tropical storm. It's just a tropical wave still, with just some gusty winds and some gale force winds as well, but still not classified as a tropical storm or nothing. Then it just drops off into a depression and just kind of remains a depression. Man, few kind of puts it back into a tropical storm. One shoots up to a hurricane, but I don't think that's going to happen. So I think we should be good on 96L. I think we can say goodbye to that as well. It shouldn't be no named storm. Alright, well, let's go ahead and move on to the Watches, Warning, Advisory map for your locating across the nation. As you can see here, we got winter weather advisories for portions of Maine, also back over portions of the Great Lakes region up here in northern Michigan, also in the northern Wisconsin, and also northern portions areas Minnesota. We got a winter storm warning also in effect there also. Flood advisories up here around the New Jersey, Pennsylvania region, and also down toward the Delaware and also Maryland vicinity as well. Frost advisory is also in effect for southern New York State, also portion of Connecticut, back down into portion of northern West Virginia, Washington, D.C. area. Freeze watches has been posted for a portion of West Virginia, Eastern Kentucky, Tennessee, Northern Georgia, portion of Alabama, also a portion of Southeast Texas. We got a large real estate area of freeze warnings in effect for Pennsylvania, all the way down through Ohio, back into Indiana, Illinois, all the way down far south as Alabama, northern Mississippi, back in Arkansas, back into Texas, Oklahoma, all the way far back as southern New Mexico and southeastern areas of Arizona. We have wind advisory down in southern Texas as well, and also down in the portion of southern Louisiana. Also up here in South and North Dakota. We have some dense fog advisories up here for areas of Montana and Idaho as well. Some red flag warnings have been posted for portions of the Nevada, Arizona, and California borders. Some over in Southern California. We have freeze watches, also some high wind warnings in effect for portions of Southern California, and also have a few counties in Colorado with some freeze warnings as well. The Hawaiian, Alaska looks good. Just got that heavy freeze and spray advisory along coastal areas, and also the gale warning and coastal flood advisory there as well. And also we have the areas of, let's see, what is that? High surf, coastal flood statement for much of Alaska. Excuse me, couldn't figure it out there, but I got it. All right, let's move on to the weather radar now. As you can see here, we got some scattered showers up here just southwest of Winnipeg, Canada, back in the North and South Dakota. Maybe a little bit of snow mixed in there as well. Also, we got some shower activity up here around Lake Superior, down in the northern Michigan. Also, a little bit over toward Lake Huron. Also, we got more showers over there around New Brunswick through Quebec, just east of Quebec, Canada, a little bit around Montreal, all the way down to Boston, Albany, New York, all the way back to Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, back toward Knoxville and Nashville, Tennessee. As we continue to go southbound, we got a line of showers extending from up here near Memphis, all the way back down toward Houston, Austin, back into northeast Mexico. We got a little bit of scattered activity down in the Gulf of Mexico, just north of Havana, Cuba. And also we got some showers around San Juan, Puerto Rico as well, from that tropical wave just south of you, bringing some showers and storms to your region. All right, and finally we're going to wrap it up with the rainfall totals across the lower 48. As you can see, the models are sniffing out them little systems here in the Caribbean Sea into the southeast Gulf, and also up the Atlantic coast. That's the heaviest precipitation off in the coastal water. Lighter amounts are from up here near Maine down to Florida, back into the Gulf of Mexico, back into Texas, North Mexico. We have heavy precipitation over here in the Pacific Northwest, from northern California into southwestern portions of Canada. Also, we got scattered activity of some lighter precipitation also across the north here, and also into southern Canada as well. But a lot of areas will remain dry, and not much precipitation expected elsewhere. Alright, well, I hope everybody enjoyed this video. I hope everybody continues to stay safe and well. Also enjoy the weather, because it's the only weather you got. Like these videos, share these videos, consider subscribing if you have not. And we'll catch you back in the next video. So have a wonderful, wonderful Monday afternoon, folks. Take care.